Alrighty, we're going to show you how to remove and replace a sash on a double hung window. First things first, you'll want to unlock the window. This is a sash right here. You have a bottom sash and you have a top sash. What you'll want to do is lift the window up roughly 5 to 6 inches. You'll then tilt the window in using the tilt latches. You'll want to lay this window down flat. Once you have it laid down flat, you'll then just lift up on one side. Once you lift up on one side, the pivot pin will then come out of the cam shoe. Then what you'll do is you'll lift up on the other side and it slides right out. Now this right here is the cam shoe. These pivot pins actually sit inside the cam shoe. When you're reinstalling a sash, you want to make sure that this cam shoe is faced in the U position. If it's off a little bit, you can take a flathead screwdriver and turn it to where it's shaped like a U. Same thing for the top sash. Lower it down, pull the tilt latches in, lay it flat. You can actually lift up on one side and the pivot pin will release from the cam shoe and just lift up on the other side. When reinstalling the sashes, the pivot pin can only go in one way. So it's very important that the cam shoe is faced in the U position. To reinstall the sash, you'll lay the window flat. You'll drop one side right down into the cam shoe, and then you can actually just lift it up a little bit and it'll drop the other side right down in. Take it like so, snap it into place. If when doing this, you do not have the pivot pin sitting directly into the cam shoe and you shut the window, you'll see that the window is very hard to open or close. So if you look down here, it's showing you that the pivot pin is not in. So what you'll want to do, tilt the window in again, lay it down flat, and it'll actually drop right back into its position. Now you can see that it's back into the cam shoe. Same thing for the bottom sash. You'll just drop one side in. That's how you replace a sash on a double hung window.